Today physicists have an audio recording of the Big Bang, 380,000 years compressed to 100 seconds. A 100 seconds recording represents the sound from about 380,000 years after the Big Bang until about 760,000 years after the Big Bang. The original sound waves were not temperature variations, though, but were real sound waves propagating around the universe, he said. Kramer noted, however, that the 2003 data lacked a high-frequency structure. More complete data were recently gathered by an international collaboration using the European Space Agency's Planck satellite mission, which has detectors so sensitive that they can distinguish temperature variations of a few millionths of a degree in the cosmic microwave background. That data was released in late March and led to the new recordings. As the universe cooled and expanded, it stretched the wavelengths to create more of a bass instrument, Kramer said. The sound gets lower as the wavelengths are stretched farther, and at first, it gets louder but then gradually fades. The sound was, in fact, so bass that he had to boost the frequency 100 septillion times. That's a 100 followed by 24 more zeros just to get the recordings into a range where they can be heard by humans. The University of Washington, listening to the Big Bang in high-fidelity audio, 2013. The heavens had a sound wave. This was known recently, however. This was portrayed in the Quran 1,400 years before it was discovered. Quran 41:11. Then he directed himself to the heaven when it was smoke and then said to it and to earth, "Come willingly or by force." They said, "We do come willingly." The heaven said implies that heaven had a voice. Voice means it emitted a sound wave, not a gravitational wave nor an electromagnetic wave. Today we know that heaven gave a sound wave that lasted 380,000 years. How could an illiterate man who lived 1,400 years ago have known that heaven emitted a sound wave?